story or come in and talk to do. So I'm actually really excited. I talked to my mom and my dad about it yesterday. I wasn't really sure in the beginning what I was going to talk about. So I'll share a little bit about my story.
One of my teachers from middle school, one of the few black teachers in my life, and my cousin, shout out to Vanessa, asked me to speak to some students at math camp hosted by the Black Educators of Nova Scotia. Of course I said yes. Being away from home has always prompted me to share my story and do more with the youth from home. This was a quick yes. Let's just say it was refreshing to see kids who looked just like me in the classroom.
The basketball grade for a little bit. The basketball from North Preston. Went to Auburn. Auburn I went to, or played basketball at Auburn as well. Did track and field. After Auburn, track and field? Yeah. Okay. After Auburn, I went down to Vincent for 4 years. Played basketball for 3 years there.
Different shades of brown truly got me excited to share my story. I talk specifically about money and finances, mentors and magic, dreams and aspirations.
I spent 3 years there. Got my wife there, she's from Toronto, she's also a teacher. I had a great experience in the beginning, just like traveling the world and enjoying it. But today I want to talk to you about a few things, and you guys have probably heard this story so many times, like never give up, try your best, make mistakes. That's the moral of what the story is going to be about, right? But after I share some stories, I want you to think about what are some messages you can take out of it, and how can you use those things in the real world. So first I want to talk about something that I use every year. The three M's that I talk about, and I write them down in a bullet journal. You guys know what a bullet journal is? Similar to like a regular journal, just that I'm like a visual person, so I often, instead of writing it out, I'll draw pictures, or I'll make arrows. So there's three M's, and the first one I talk about is money. Hey, who enjoys money? Raise your hand if you enjoy money. Exactly, okay? So one of the things I talk about is why is money important, and how has it influenced my life? So I'm going to tell you a story about when I was in grade.
What I loved about this group was the energy and questions, truly engaged, wondering, trying to pull information. Today I'm promising myself to do more, try more and give more. Whatever it is I come up with, I'm excited. I'm ready to go. To the youth at the camp, I appreciate you. Thank you for your time. Take care.
$10 a month and you put it in the bank and you just leave it. Right? Over time, if you go tax-free savings, you don't have to get any interest on it. You just let it grow. Over time, within 10, 15 years, that $10 can grow into $15, $16, $20,000. Right? The hardest part is looking at it grow. Right? You're gonna see it. You're gonna have your friends going out. They're gonna be like, "What are you doing? You have money." You're going to see it growing. What are you going to want to do? You want to spend it, right? The hardest part is wanting to take it out, and what are you going to do with it? All right? So one of the main things that I've learned growing up is how do you take care of your money, all right? And who do I find to help me do that?